Okay guys, ginagawang masyadong big deal itong latest rally by INC, even though yung INC naman made it very clear na hindi ito specifically partisan rally, kaya in favor daw of peace. Now obviously the DDS camp is trying to make a lot out of this, na million daw ang lumabas in favor of that, and that in many ways ito po ay endorsement ng Sara Duterte, or at least a clear show of force against impeachment of Sara Duterte. But again, wag natin kalimutan, sinabi ng mga surveys, social weather station survey, ito rin yung mga survey ng mga sinesite ng mga DDS ng panahon ni Digong to say na popular si Digong. Ito rin yung mga survey na sinesite ng mga DDS to say na sikat si Sara back in the day. Ngayon hindi na masyado. And then ngayon, na pinapakita ng mga survey niyan, same authoritative serious survey saying that 41% of Filipinos, tens of millions, close to 50 million Filipinos, of course, statistics yan. So you look at representative samples, hindi po census yan. Mag-aaral naman kayo ng basic statistics. So ang mga surveys na yan, tinitignan yung representative sample. So yung mga more than 1,000 na na-interview nila ay representative sample. Kaya very accurate yung mga surveys when you look at yung mga election results. In many ways kasi nga, tama yung methodology. So dito pinapakita na actually tens of millions of Filipinos ay bukas sa impeachment ni Sara Duterte. So panic mode ngayon ng mga Duterte, denial mode ng mga Duterte, at exaggerate mode naman ng mga Duterte. Even if yung mga rally na isa ay peace rally naman, not necessarily in favor of Sara. And 1.5 million ba talaga? Or even 1 million for that matter? I don't know. Let's talk about it.